Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download Glary Utilities in your computer in a very simple way. Glary Utilities all-in-one PC maintenance suite with cleaner, optimizer and more. For downloading it, what you have to do, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Glary Utilities. Here it is, click on that. And then you're going to get this website glarysoft.com. Click on that, and then you're going to get a free download option. Click on that, click download. After the download completed, click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission and minimize everything, and simply click next to the setup wizard. I agree, next, and install. That's it. After complete that, click on finish, minimize the browser, and you can simply see here is your Glary Utilities is rightly opened. And now from here you can simply clean up and repair, optimize and improve everything in one-stop software. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.